Notion versus Roam, two radically different takes on note-taking. But in 2025, which one actually helps you think better? Notion is a structured productivity platform. You build pages, databases, dashboards. It's clean, visual, and flexible. Great for managing projects, creating knowledge hubs, and collaborating with teams. Plus, AI integration, templates, and mobile support make it a go-to for organizing everything in one place. Roam, on the other hand, is pure networked thinking. It's built for idea linking, not project planning. You write in daily notes, connect concepts with backlinks, and let your knowledge map grow naturally. It's perfect for research, long-term writing, or complex personal insight, but it's less friendly for teams or structured workflows. So here's the real difference. Notion helps you organize what you know. Roam helps you discover how your thoughts connect. In 2025, Notion wins for teams, planning, and polished output. But for deep thinking, academic work, or building a personal knowledge graph, Roam is the sharper tool.